Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this look. This is perfect for all of the upcoming festivals, including Coachella. To get started on this look, we're first going to prep our eyes. So I'm quickly going to apply the eye primer on the lid up to the crease. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Deck of Scarlet Edition 7 palette. For those of you who don't know about Deck of Scarlet, it is a makeup subscription and you receive a new makeup palette with all the products that you need to complete a full face every 2 months. Each palette is a collaboration with a top YouTuber, and this palette's artist-in-chief is Roxette. This season's palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, a blush, highlighter, 2 lip colors, an eyeliner, and lip liner. You can use the code CORAL to get a discount off your Deck of Scarlet subscription. This is a perfect summertime palette, and it's very versatile for tons of different looks day to night. The first shadow I'm going to start with is Starry Eye. This is a very light, warm tan with a matte finish, and I'm going to apply this on the lid up to the crease as a base with a fluffy brush. Then right over top on the lid, I'm taking Rockstar. This is a golden highlighter that provides a glow and luminosity, perfect for the cheekbones and highlight areas, but also for the lid. This just helps to lighten and brighten the lid a bit more. Then to darken and add depth, I'm going to take Bronzed, which is a dark golden brown that has a bit of a light sheen to it. This is going to add intensity to that crease, giving a bit more definition. These 3 together create a very light, wearable, smoky eye that's also great to wear alone. Now to start the fun, I'm going to add the NYX Jumbo White Eye Pencil in the inner corners. This is going to act as a white base to make the shadow that we're going to apply over top pop. Now using Bora Bora, that is the fun modern turquoise with a little bit of shimmer that you see here. When worn alone, it's a bit more sheer, but worn over top of this matte white, it helps to really brighten and create more of an intense blue. So I'm going to pat this right over top of that white. Now using the eyeliner and Goddess, this is a metallic beige bronze. Place this on the lower lash line, about 3/4 of the way in. I'm using my Smashbox Always On liquid eyeliner. This is in black, and I'm just going to quickly create a winged eyeliner on the top lash line. Moving on to brows, I'm using the Stila Stay in Place Waterproof Brow Color, and I'm quickly going to fill in the shape of my brow to help better define them. For my face primer, I'm using the No Problem Primer on the T-zone. Then for the face, I'm using the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation and Shape Tape Concealer. First taking the foundation stick, I'm going to apply this on the main areas that get the most redness and discoloration. Then using the Beauty Blender to blend this out. Then for some extra concealing, I'm using the Shape Tape Concealer and placing this on the under eye, the cheek, and any problem area. Again, just taking the Beauty Blender to blend this out. Now I am using a shade that is lighter than my skin tone for this because it is acting as a concealer as well as a highlight. Now to set everything and to help even out the color, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Face HD powder and just applying this on all over. To contour and highlight a bit more, I'm using the Profusion Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the light contour for my cheekbones, jawline, forehead, and nose, and then the beige highlight to brighten and lighten any area that needs a little bit more of a highlight. For a luminizer highlight and blush, I'm using the Deck of Scarlet's palette again, taking Rockstar for the cheekbones and Lovesick for the apples of my cheeks. I also used a bit of the shimmer highlight from Profusion on the cheekbone, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and brow bone. Now back to the eyes. To finish them up, use the Butter London Stroke of Wow Volumizing Mascara. This is actually the first time I used this mascara, and I was actually really impressed. Then on top, I use my bold 3D lashes. Now to go with the festival theme, I'm going to add my jewelry and face gems. For the face jewels, these are actually Polish Pop nail stickers from Kiss. They're literally meant to go on your nails, but I thought, why not on your face? And place them in a design on my forehead around my brow. And then I also placed 2 down the center of my lips. You can see I also added one on top and bottom of the eye, which is better seen when it catches the light. All the products that I use in this video will be listed in the description box with discount codes in case you guys want to shop any of the items featured. I was obsessed with the way this one turned out. I thought it was very understated and more wearable, and the pop of blue and gold was extremely flattering, perfect for any festival occasion. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the description box for a ton of more information. I would love to know if you guys are planning on going to any upcoming festivals, and if you are, you can comment that below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.